Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Hathor wallet application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open your App Store from your iOS device. Also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Now in the search box inside your App Store, type in Hathor wallet. Once you come across this application from Hathor Labs, tap on the Get button and log into your Apple ID or log in with your Face ID. This will start the application download process. Hathor Wallet is a software program that allows you to interact with the Hathor blockchain. It allows you to store, send, and receive Hathor tokens and custom tokens built on the Hathor network. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the Open button to open the application on your device. Go through the prompts and then start creating a new wallet. Some of the key features of Hathor Wallet is to store HTR and custom tokens, send and receive tokens, view transaction history, backup and restore, and manage multiple wallets in one. So that's how easy it is to download and install Hathor Wallet application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.